everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another what I eat in a day video. Thank you so much for joining me for a fantastic day of food. Wow, it feels so funny to say that after so long. But yeah, thank you for joining me, and thank you so much for all the wonderful comments and support on my last vlog and also my last what I eat in a day. It's thrilling, it really is. Now, a few things to update you on before we begin our day. First one is in regards to the app. Now, I feel like because I've not been on the app for so long, I'm just not reaching for it. I'm just going and cooking. I'm getting back into focus, back into my normal portion control. Though I've had it for a week to 10 days, I feel like I know what my portion should have been. So I'm gonna start relying on it a little less and less, and hopefully not need it altogether, hopefully in a week or so. But I never reach for it. So I'll try and give you guys point values where I can, but I feel like I'm a bit out of sync because I was put onto green and I don't really know that. And even though I have lost a couple of pounds this week, which wasn't intentional, it shows that it does work. It gets your body back into it. It switches things up, which is great. Anyway, let's talk about food. So I woke up this morning, I've done a bit of housework and sort of done my hair a little bit, so I'm feeling nice and fresh. I tried on some new makeup actually today and I really like it, so stay tuned for that. I will share in a vlog. But anyway, let's talk about breakfast. So this morning I had yogurt, berries, which I'll insert now. It's now time for my breakfast. So I have the Skylar yogurt, which I got from Aldi, and just for anyone who's interested, this is 2 points for a serving. I'm not quite sure how much they consider as a serving, and I'm not weighing things. I'm trying not to be that sort of particular about it, but this is the flavorless one because my idea is to add a little bit of my own honey. So I'm going to add the yogurt that I would like, and I have some berries here that I've rinsed. These just blackberries that I picked up yesterday when I went to M&S, and they are absolutely delicious. I was chomping on them last night as well. So here I have some honey, and the key to honey is to, whatever you're pouring it out of, put kettle water in it just before, because it makes the honey come out super easily, which can be quite a challenge. And then I have some chia seeds as well, just again give it a nice bit of texture, but they're also really good for you. They're a natural superfood. I got these from Aldi as well. I think it would have been Aldi or Tesco because they got them a while back, but I do love to sprinkle them on my porridge and on my yogurt. And I have to say, I am hungry. I went to M&S the other day and I picked up some nice goodies, and for dinner tonight I'm going to be roasting a chicken because I feel like it's dark, it's drizzly, it's raining, it's autumn. So what better than having a really comforting chicken with some veggies. Not quite sure what I'm having it with yet, but I will keep you guys posted. These are my Lucy and Yak dungarees. I love them. I've had them for a while now. I really like them. I'm just wearing it with a very simple body from New Look, I believe. I will try and link what I can. But anyway, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the day. So I have a selection of goodies here. Mayo, of course, because I'm going to whip up a roast beef with coriander and garlic sandwich. This is delicious. I've had this before. I've never had it on green, so it'll be interesting to see what this equates to. Like I said, I'm not really using this app much, but I figured, you know, whilst I have it, I will let you guys know how much things are. So let's get the scanner, and this is 1 point half the pack, which is crazy low, and absolutely fantastic actually, because I probably will eat a good half of that pack. So I'm having that, and alongside it I'm gonna have some of this OT Bloomer. I have a feeling this is going to be about 3 or 4 points a slice because it's quite dense, although again, I'm not really used to green, so 6 points for 2 slices. I didn't expect that. That's really low, which is great. So I'm going to track that as well. And with it, I'm going to have a slice of cheese. Now this is just the reduced fat mature cheddar from, I think it's Tesco. And I just have it wrapped in one of these Emma Bridgewater, or is it Cath Kidston? Yeah, this is a Cath Kidston wax food wrap. Absolutely never been one for tracking condiments such as mayo, ketchup. I know that they do have a point value. I'm not that precious about it because I feel like at the end of the day, you're never gonna overindulge. Well, maybe you would on mayo, but I don't personally. I just put on what I would like, but I don't want it to deter me from eating certain things. I also like to eat this warm, so what I do is I make the sandwich and then I heat it up. It just smells incredible. It's so delicious. I'm gonna see if there's any underneath that the coriander hasn't touched that I can give to Dusty, because she loves roast beef. She is all about it. I get a lot of my cured meats, my cooked meats from Marks and Spencer's. I just love the selection and the different textures and flavors that they have. Cheese is something I did track, but I'm not having that much of it, so I'm gonna guess that the amount that I'm gonna use is gonna be about 2 points. But again, this is the reduced fat. And now I'm gonna pop this gorgeous sandwich into the microwave for literally about, you know, 30 seconds, not too long, just to warm it up ever so slightly. I'm gonna start prepping dinner. I have this big chicken that I'm going to roast, and I'm going to do it really simply. Literally butter, a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, some chicken seasoning that's already been pre-blended. The way I like to do this is to make a butter, so make a flavoured butter essentially. So I'm going to make a thyme, parsley, lemon, garlic butter. For my snack, I'm opting for a banana and an easy peeler, so I'll most likely have something sweet later. Dinner looks delicious. I have a chicken leg here, and I roasted some vegetables a few days ago to make some soup, so I've just heated those up. I also have some cucumber and a little bit of rice, not too much. Normally I would have like 4 times this rice, but I've got a lot of veg and I've got a lot of chicken there as well, so I'm gonna eat this. This all equates to, I think the leg is 6 points and the rice is 5 points, but I'm going to double check with that, so don't quote me. But so far, before deducting any of this, I have 20 left and I have all my weeklies, so I'll definitely have a sweet treat for later. But this is my simple roasted chicken. And there we have it, a fantastic day of food. And as you saw, Layla and I whipped up some cupcakes. Now I actually have 9 points left. I would say this is probably more than 9 points, especially with all that buttercream on it. I will put my cupcake recipe in the description box for you guys to go and enjoy. It's a very simple one, really basic, but very delicious. And I'm gonna curl up with the brew, and I'm gonna end the video here, but I hope you've all enjoyed it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, give this a thumbs up, and make sure to leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.